Here at North Vista Primary School, we envision a community of learners. Leveraging languages, we believe that every North Vista Primary School student will be an engaged 21st century learner who is a confident and empathetic communicator, discerning reader, and creative inquirer. A North Vista Primary School student is also a positive, innovative, and creative thinker, imbued with good habits of mind, and able to use 21st century skills in real life. This will set them up to be a lifelong learner, effective thinker, scientific inquirer, and a team player. And with the knowledge, skills, and dispositions acquired from every subject, we envision every Vistalite to be a self directed learner and to shine forth.